team. So this was a task for a PDF extraction out of an invoice PDF. We had tried multiple approach on our side to basically check how we can do it. First of all, we use PyTestRect. First of all, we have used PDF parser, which was not able to get all the data. The data was not like in line where we need to read from left to right. Then we have used PyTestRect. So we have converted PDF into image first, and then we tried to see the full extracted data. And in that also we tried to basically, first of all, we were getting all the header data was coming in between the lines because it tries to see pixel by pixel. So we basically skipped the header part here. If you see, we cropped the 350 height as an area, and we start from build to index only, right? uh, Here we get a full text, that is the crop text after cropping whatever we are getting from tesseract. Then on that filter text, we were getting the lines also. We were getting a blank line, so we splitted all those lines, and then we get a different data. Now with that data, we basically taken the indexes like which we were getting from the bill also, like 1 2 3 4. So we created a pattern in which the data is coming. Let's say here the bill 2 and the bill 2 details are coming between the bill 2 and invoice number and date, right? So we get that, and then we basically filter out the bill 2 data. Likewise, we created the major thing was into ship 2 data, where we replaced, but we can also skip the replace. We can also add the line logic here. We tried, that can be rectified later on. And for items, we basically check the pattern, right, where we are getting metric ton, euro, all those things. With that, we fetch the item name, quantity, price, total price, and then in last we basically done a total invoice amount by totaling the individual item amount, right? And after that, as the data was needed into CSV, we added a streamlit on top of it, if you can see. And the streamlit wrapper basically gives us the functionality to drag and drop or upload the PDF, and then we can extract the data. Let me run the code for you. Just a second. So it will basically okay, I think I'm disconnected from internet. Just a second. Okay, sorry, my bad. I need to run streamlit run. So it basically start the GUI, right? I can drag and drop file, this was our invoice, right? It start running, finding the patterns. It gives me all the data here. Bill to, we convert date also. If you see here, so we have extracted and converted date. Okay. Then we get an item name and this, and we can download JSON or download CSV. The like we had a same problem, so we did a OCR on KFC last year with the Malaysian government. So they wanted a KFC fest to be done, and they have distributed a vouchers, and those vouchers need to be performed OCR. That result into this. We give them a demo code, basically a discount code to them. So this was done on OCR part, where we have added OpenAI layer and LLM layer out of it, right? We also recently have worked on an app in the Bahrain which uses receipt OCR processing. So we take images from user, there can be multiple images, then we pass on to tesseract, and then the tesseract data will pass on to the OpenAI layer, so that it detects a category automatically, and it gives me the filter data into JSON. So we have done that also. It is related to this task only, but I wanted to share those details also. OpenAI layer can be used, and we were getting around 90 or 85% of accuracy in OpenAI. So we plan to use Gemini, and that resulted into 98 or 99% accuracy. So Gemini gives every time the same result, but OpenAI changes its result based on uh, when we request it, right? So Gemini is more stable in this part. Thanks. If you have any doubt, do ask us. Thanks.